Hello everyone! So today we're back with a very exciting video that I just couldn't wait to film. It's a very impromptu video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. I just got a box in the mail from Wunderwelt. It is an extremely stained dress that I got super cheap because I'm a cheap Lolita. So it's a pretty small package, honestly. This is the smallest size for the Yamato shipping, which is currently the only shipping they're offering right now. So yeah, pretty small package. I've removed all of the personally identifying labels off of it, and I have slashed the top because it took me like 5 minutes to do off camera. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this box. I can see the dress already. This is my first Meta dress that I am holding in my hands. I did purchase one, a little bit of story time. I did purchase a dress from Wunderwelt. It was actually a skirt. It's a Meta skirt. Super cute. I'll put it up on screen here. And I ordered it back in May during a free shipping deal. May or late April, during a free shipping deal that they had in April of 2020. And Japan was at the time not shipping to the United States. And they did not offer Yamato as an option at the time. So they just said, hey, we'll hold on to it until shipping resumes, which I thought was going to be in like a couple of months. It's right now a couple days before Halloween and shipping has not resumed. So that's that. It's kind of still stuck in Japan because I don't want to pay extra for the shipping. Even though it's not going to be that much, I've got a kind of a big order from Wunderwelt. That skirt is in kind of a large order. So this is officially my first Metamorphose piece that I'm holding in my hands. So it's wrapped. What's nice is it is raining today. I actually was so excited to film this video. I went to the store, came home, it's pouring rain, and my box is on the doorstep. So thankfully it didn't get wet, but just in case, it is in a plastic bag. Box is empty. They didn't send anything else with the box. It's an invoice. Already took out the invoice. Yeah, so this dress I got super cheap. I actually got off of Lacemarket. Wunderwelt will sometimes sell extremely damaged pieces on Lacemarket. It's not very common. They only had a couple up when I bought this, but they're super cheap. I think the dress itself was like $25. Shipping was also $25. It might have even been less, because I remember it was under $50. The entire thing with the conversion rate ended up being under $50. So yeah, this dress is called it's either Teddy Patissier or Teddy Bear Patissier, and I don't remember exactly which, and I'll write it on the screen because I have a bachelor's degree in French, and that's how I say the word patissier. Patissier? It doesn't matter. So there's a lot of tape. Okay, so let's take a look at the dress here. So I'm gonna unfold it. It's really cold. Oh, it comes with, okay, so it's got some bows. It is missing one or two bows. I don't remember. It's missing one of the bows from the top. It's, I think, supposed to have 3 bows from the top. I think it's missing one of them. But honestly, I was just gonna move them around and make it look nice. See, I already see some stains. I remember, yeah, there were a couple on top and there were a couple big ones on bottom. So yeah, honestly, these look like pencil marks. I'm not too worried about the stains. I will probably talk about that more. So it's a lovely pink color, extremely wrinkled. It had a, it had a journey. It had a journey to get here. So just taking a look at the sleeves here. What I love about Meta stuff, the sleeves are adjustable. And removable. Oh, okay. So yeah, this confused me because there's a lot of buttons. There's a lot of removable parts to this dress. Because the belt is removable. All of the bows are removable. Okay, there's only one. I must have gotten part of that wrong. There must be supposed to be 2 bows, and there's only one because there's no waist bow because it's got a belt instead. So this front part is detachable, which is really nice because I like it, but if I didn't like it, I could just take it off. So yeah, that's detachable with buttons on the inside. And then this frilly part on the... Oh, I just found it. It's either a small discoloration or a stain. This frilly part on the armholes is also detachable, which confused me. So yeah, it's also got buttons in here. The whole thing can just be detached, which I'm honestly really impressed with. And then it looks like the... Let me look at this one. It looks like the arms should be, like, changeable. I just don't quite understand how. Because there are buttons here, like you can detach this and take the buttons off, but there's not other buttons. And there's not other holes, so I'll have to figure that out. But Meta is usually pretty good with that from what I've heard. So, the back has some shirring, so I am, 99.9% sure that it'll fit me. And I'll be trying it on later when I have a little bit more time. So, it comes with a really nice lining. I appreciate that. It really adds an extra nice touch to the dress. And so let's get into why it was so cheap, because it was pretty darn cheap for a dress that is adorable. I'll do a nice pan of the print, but it's got little teddy bears. They're making some nice sweet treats. Pretty heavily stained. So I already found one that looks like the remnants of where the bows was. There's one underneath the belt. There's a stain, I just saw it's under the front bow. It's on this front detachable part. It's underneath this bow. It's a pretty big, I have to assume that it's tea. I have no idea what it is. I have no idea how it was treated in the past. So I have to assume that that's a tea stain because it's a Lolita dress. It probably is a tea stain. And then I remember down near the print, is that a stain or is that a piece of dirt? It's a piece of lint. False alarm. Okay, here we go. There are also some other pretty large tea stains here, which are absolutely not showing up. So I'll just post a picture right next to here. But yes, otherwise a gorgeous print. Doesn't smell like anything. Yeah, there's stains on the belt. There's just kind of stains all over. I even think I saw one up on this arm spot when I was looking at it. But yeah, there's no undisclosed stains here. I know that it is very much stained, but I thought the print was so adorable and so cute that I just had to have it anyways. And it was excellent price. So it's a classic Meta piece from this era. It's got cherries, it's got little biscuits. The biscuits are in the shape of like playing card suits. So that's kind of fun. And there's little like Alice bows with playing cards. There's crowns, there's little pieces of candy, there's little gummy bears. What else is there? There's a lot going on the bottom. I'm pretty excited to record this, honestly, once I finally get all the stains out, which I'll probably record the process of that and share that with you guys as well. So yeah, there's teddy bears, they're making sweets, they're making cakes, there's jelly beans, there's more cherries, ribbons, spoons, there's a little ice cream parfait. So yeah, honestly, I'm pretty excited. I think this is gonna be a really fun project, because also there's like yellowing on the lace. There's a lot going on here. So I'll probably try it on, give it a quick try on so that I can film like a before and after shot. So I'm excited. I'm excited to get to work on this. And I hope that you guys enjoy the process, which I'll document. I'll throw it up here. It's always fun to see stain removal. Turning something that's not really wearable right now into something that's very fun that I got for like super cheap. That's what everybody loves. So I hope you'll join me for that. It'll probably be a while before it's good to go, but I'm super excited. I hope you guys enjoyed the process, and I'll see you later.